ava hlawa chi bai te ava buk chiam chiam ngai dam te ava dil chiam chiam ti na ni lo pathian ne na ngai dam dil chiam chiam pathian hlau wanga thil swal ti lo te hi pathian hlau na le pathian za na ani lo that is out of fear me dil tlak hlau wanga thil chai ti kha mi fel ni na ni lo ma sengin me dil tlak hlau wang ni lo ma ni that na wang shim shim midang atina don ti asya ta wanga mi in thil ati du lo khan mo entinan cheating lo ni ta se kabial nu kachita ariru ka tin na chuanin miru ka tin na wangi pathian in min shem don ti ni lova kabial nu riru ka tin na ta kachi chuan bia pachalo ka ni do na alla kariru na ka thlen do na chu bang chang ka chi lawang ane na thu ka tia marin om turin ka india ma ka thu thia ma ka ding hetanga ariru ka tin na lawang ti amin tu thuk na asyang khan it is more Christ-like. So I am not very more. But here now, wang ati in di lo, yan Christian cha in ni di na ni lo. Christian cha ni zia di tak he a Christian cha in di te bir yan in shelo zokin kasya. Christian cha ka in di mi lo di tak ka so isang Christian po ka in di lo. Me in min zopon, oh, you're from Mizoram, are you Christian? And tihan, no, I'm not religious. Mo sakwa na kazom law kati. I am more of a spiritual person. Spirituality akalu thuk to zo, and it is more profound to me personally. A profound zo. Hazel, that is so right. Yes. So polarity can also be described as duality. So we live in an extremely polarized plane of existence, that is a temporal plane, the 3D plane. So actually duality is Luciferian, so the Trinity actually. Trinity that is the true creation. Pare fa pare tharau thiang him tin ka din sutira Trinity te hi pare fa pare tharau thiang him manilo. It is duality and the third element, which is the thing that duality creates, that is the true Trinity. Pare fa pare tharau thiang him kan tia creation of life here and ro me chia telavin nun na them me chia telavin fa nei tum ro in nei thelo mi pa poimo ang truk zetin me chia po kan poimo with the creation of life mi kwel Christianity luka me chia te ra be na mo Muslim te angin burkha te hak fe ngai lo ma ila kan spiritual dogma le kan rin rusuk thek min soi dana hian me chia te hi he ti han min ta bo mak zen Trinity dik tak chu duality and the third thing that is up here, that is the triveka, that is called a veka. So duality is a biveka and Trinity is the triveka. So duality in Antoine Fibonacci spiral in Chia vo Google ro Fibonacci spiral hi circle pan hi atang in siam the chu Fibonacci zia chu the killer of chi mo killer of energy atithi duality here death. Duality means death. Trinity ani chuanin circle triveka pathuma changkhan flower of life in siam the. So that is the perpetual triveka which leads to the flower of life. To Trinity dik tak chu ni. Sacred geometry ti ang veli Fibonacci spiral ina aron tin chuania. There is no sacred geometry, okay? Any sacred geometry content is a Fibonacci spiral based, which leads to death. Flower of life ero hitu in siam charanga in expand charang, it leads to expansion and aparka YouTube pa emo Google emo kanva enro flower of life versus Fibonacci spiral te ka Google ro to so in oil chan. That is the truth. Duality chuanin it kills the chi, which means energy, which means life, because everything is energy. So we really need to think about the difference between Trinity and duality. This one is life, Trinity is life, and duality leads to death. Masengin Fibonacci spiral worship to tamtakan death worshippers. Christianity, we are one of those people. Christians are one of the people who worship death. Hi Rose. Death can worship, tina can worship na tsang kasilang seo. Iswa cross ati kan tia, cross kan ora. Iswa tina ka i-celebrate me. Iswa tina ka i-worship me. Do you worship the death of Jesus Christ? Why do you worship death? Why don't you worship life? Worship life. Celebrate life. I mean, don't worship anything. Just celebrate life. Accept the life of Christ. But yan to siya law min titu te hianin andu to hianin mininyal puise kati kati tak mininyal puise kati tak. Tina and worship te kasi tiam law like iswa zirtir na diktak te hishat pon tum law Bible na zi ang hin ring to. Oy addiktya Hazel is so hi diktya. Iswa crossa atia atisenin mintlana intia. That is a blood sacrifice ritual that is called witchcraft. Witchcraft anika doi tiam telawin tisen chwa in engma mitlan chwak turin tilut pe kan pengai lo. That is witchcraft, full blood. Iswa taktak dito crossa atile nem. Iswa taktak dito vana aka he ascended fully. Cross ati katsu enge kawa minka Arabi, something like that. Cross ati mi pa chu a nge ma se iswa ni lo Jesus Christ ni lo. Iswa te chu atile nem. Engtin nge 12 level avatar kovela aron kala anlaw kin be very ngotang zirtirna iswa zirtirna original teachings te hi kumsang tam tak chung chu thupowina oma China hunchen khata te Tibet te an practice ascension mechanism ti anya iswa zirtirna tik tak chu mishing te kan energy kan control dan tur le transcendence kan experience the dan tur ascension mechanism min zirtira chu Council of Nicaea in anla ale khabuchu andu lai an potha Bible 10% vel hi tu iswa tu soi dik tak omang iswa tu soi chen ka kan thinlung ne tak iswa tu soi kan ti te hi asoi tak chu om kan thinlung ne to turin iswa zirtir ka an jep tel zewa abak te chu Council of Nicaea Roman Catholic Church in andu to ke min brainwash na nan zia ka Bible hi ron chwa iswa original teaching sa te chuan le khabu cha tak 500 million pages aw chu da chang chuan vo India Bible hi ron chwa ka chu kan lo ring ve a mishing in dan siam na te kan lo manga mishing dan siam chop kan zoma mishing dan siam choping kan inchima mishing dan siam choping kan in musita chu ti chuan pathian thu kan tang au puya adikem digni se Muslim te Christian te Jewish te sa khodang a ka soi seng lo inlung rol de win kan omang chu ma se inlung rol de win kan lo sa khwana inkara separation na sa takasyam. There is a huge separation between religions. So wangin alom mishing religious ka in detail na san I cannot call myself a religious person because religion creates too much pain and separation and I do not want to be a part of it. Kami nga han katel du lo. Early Christian kan entuan Christian masate manami to kan entuan may tia te tingan hal lumchin. Is that the Christianity that you love so much? Is that the Christianity that you worship and dedicate your life to? Voinia hianin sakwana izom ngengi ngai sakwana mumazum lova spirituality lu silringotin ikovele yom thelo minti ta se sakwana zom ngengi lo ngai ta se to Buddhism ka zomang. At least they understand the basic concept of energy work. They understand it. Hi today ka cha chep o he ka live zo vele ka cha nga aditya's ka ran thon chi okay. Christianity hitwanin Islam ate po energy work a basic concept tak niyal po kanchelo ingi energy work to kanchelo shim chakra system te kanchelo eng ma kan meditation kan practice ngai lo po chong chai na hi meditation ne nang lo pathian hi ke mani pol na chi bai kan buk tur athu kan oi lo cha min shem don thu thung tui te hi en ro pathian in rin in chi em na chan hi a lu tu a chan chu mi sang tam taka thatop to pelom Bible la pathian nan dan ni chu ingwangin ye min siam tu min mangai tu in min thang mishing siam chok pathian in bia in hlawa in mishing puite control na nin manga adigem mishing siam chok pathian ani ti hi pom to pro mishing siam chok pathian chaw in mi sang tam taka that the pathian tik tak chuan mishing hi a that lowang a shem bok lowang in pom thei lo ti ka sia Bible in tu em awangin mi cha in ni ti po ka sia hetiang khopa pathian in mangai wang hian ma se mishing siam chok pathian ni lo pathian dik tak mangai ro vo india he min husita miswal angin min en ti po ka sia ma se mishing siam chok pathian ni lo pathian dik takin min hmuwa kakal na tur kong hi adwanga kakal na tur kong dik taka kakala pathian nen kan inkara hian min dang tu om lo ti ka sia chu wang janin min hmu sit na te min ten na te katan ingma tak tak ani lo